In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep track of expenses for small business in Expensify. We'll walk through adding expenses from the home screen using both receipt scanning and manual entry, then finishing with categorizing and assigning the expense to a report so your books stay clean and consistent. Start on the home page of your Expensify account. From here, head to the expense section to add a new expense. You have two options: scan a receipt or enter the details manually. I'll show you both so you can pick what fits your workflow. If you have a receipt image or PDF, choose the scan option. You can upload receipts directly, drag and drop them into the window, or click to choose files from your computer. Use whichever is easiest in the moment. A quick tip: make sure the entire receipt is visible, the image is clear, and only one receipt appears per image. This helps the system read the total and merchant accurately and can save you time later. If you prefer to type the expense yourself, switch to the manual option. Enter the amount exactly as it appears on the receipt, and then continue to the next screen. Add a clear description that explains the purpose of the purchase, like client lunch or shipping supplies, and save. Next, set the merchant. Type in the vendor name just as it appears on your receipt, then save again. This consistency makes searching and reporting much easier down the road. Now choose a category. Pick the expense category that matches your chart of accounts. If you're not seeing it right away, use the search bar to quickly locate the correct category. Accurate categorization is key for tax time and for understanding where your money is going. With the details in place, assign the expense to a report. Open the report selection and either choose an existing report or create a new one if you're starting a fresh period or project. Many small businesses like to create monthly reports or separate reports for each client or trip. Use whatever structure keeps your records organized. When everything looks good, finalize by creating the expense. That's it. You've captured the receipt or entered the details, added a description and merchant, categorized it properly, linked it to the right report, and saved it to your books. To recap, scan receipts when you have images ready, or use manual entry when you just need to log a quick amount. Keep descriptions specific, merchants consistent, and categories accurate. Assign expenses to reports as you go, and you'll always be ready for reviews, reimbursements, or accounting handoffs.